Hey guys, Sinister with the Drone Network coming at you, and I have another episode of What's in the Package. So let's get to it. This come to me from Chuckit FPV. If you guys do not know who Chuckit FPV is, I will put a link to his channel in the description below. And let's get into the box. I did cut the back of it just to save a little bit of time. And let's see what's in here. Lots of stuffing. Alright. So let's see here. I'm going to reach in here. Let's see what's in there. Oh, I feel a few things here. And boom. Oh, looks like we got some motors. Was not expecting that. And they are Emax. Wow. Let's see. Emax race spec RS2205s. Wow. Very cool. Thank you, brother. Very cool. And you can see right there. Very cool. They are, hang on, focus. Looks like 2300 kV. I can't even see. Need some glasses. Yes, they are 2300 kV. Okay. Gosh, man, I'm telling you, you hit 40 and you need glasses to see stuff. And this must be, oh, this is for the, probably the OSD for the camera, I'm guessing. And let's see what else we got here. That I knew there was having a camera coming. So here we go. Oh, wow, 2 cameras. So here's a run cam, Swift. Very cool. Rotor Riot, look at that. Very cool. And we've got a camera housing here. Or is that a camera? No, it looks like a camera. Okay. Rodcam Swift 2. Maybe it just needs a lens. Yeah, it just needs a lens. So yeah, we'll come up with something for that. And the other 2 Emax motors. Very cool, Chuck. I really appreciate this. This will all go to good use because I am going to be building for my son and myself here. So, yeah. Very cool. All right. Make sure there's nothing else in the box here before I end the video. Oh, there is. There is. What's in here? Some cables. Yeah, these are for the camera. Okay, very cool. Alright, well, I'm a VTX away from having FPV on Project Old School, so this helps me out. Thanks, Chuck. This stuff will definitely go to good use. Appreciate it. Guys, Sinister the Drone Network here. And I wanted to give a special shout out to all of my subs, viewers, and family here on YouTube. I have crossed over 400 subs, so I'm very, very excited about that. I've come a long way pretty quick here. In June of last year, I was only at 100 subs, so definitely appreciate all the support in the channel, and looking forward to 2019 and all the things that are going to be upcoming on the channel. For those of you that don't already know, that have not been regularly following me, I've gone from line of sight flying to FPV. My son is also getting an FPV, and after we used to flying around with the goggles on, we're going to go ahead and slap stuff into acro and do some FPV acro. So look forward to that. May break some stuff, may not. Never know. You just have to stay tuned to see. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in. See ya.